So, hello friends, how are you doing? This is Srinivas Birla, Chairman and CEO of Birla Medisoft. Today, I'm going to give you the demonstration on NetBloodBank software, which is a blood bank management system from Birla Medisoft. This is purely a web-based system, as well as this can also work on a intranet, means local area network. Okay, and this can also put it on the hosted cloud. All things are possible. So let's look at this demonstration of this blood bank management system. Log into the system, username and password, and you go inside the system. As soon as you enter inside the system, whatever the component stocks are there, you get the status alert. Okay, so component type, apheresis, expiry date, number of days expiry, bag number, unit number, bag type, bag group. This pop-up will keep coming to you. It will give you the reminder which bags are expired. So this pop-up is there. Now let's study the entire software. Okay, this software has got a full, it's a full package. There is nothing left into the blood bank management system. It can connect with the donor management completely. Then it can connect with the patient management completely, along with the inventory control, camp accounting, camp, you get, from the camp you collect the blood. So camp entry is there, accounting is there, reports are there. It's a fantastic, fabulous software. Okay. So let's look at the masters. Okay, this is entire system is a driven database driven system. Means nothing is hard coded. It is everything is in the user's hand. They can add it, they can remove it. It is given into their choice. System setting, blood bag setting, test master, everything is here. Occasion master setting, blood discard, blood unit discard master. Okay, so like that. Okay, HIV reactive, all these settings are there. Then report setting, your header, footer, you can put it over here. Okay, then you have a reorder level setting. Okay, what are the reorder levels? It should reorder. Okay, then you have a status of equipment. Okay, what is the status of equipments in the blood bank? Okay, then you have a staff entry, concessional master. If you want to give any concession, the concession master is there. Okay, staff entry is there. Okay, completely medical staff, technician, who are the people are there in the blood bank, the complete staff entry is there. Then there is a test master entry. Okay, blood test master entry, HIV, HCV, which are the tests you do for the blood bag, on the blood bag. Okay, this is the blood test master entry is there. Then designation master, what are the designations are there, that is there. Then parameter master. Okay, parameter values. Okay, these are the parameters values are there. Okay, let's say this. Okay, so parameter master is there. Then staff sanction master. Okay, medical, number of sanction, number of recruited, trained, all this thing. Okay, so something miss complete package means it covers everything for your blood bank completely. That's what there's a staff master. Storage unit master is there. Okay, storage unit master. Then there is a assign storage single multiple. Okay, what type of storage? Technician name, then storage name, then blood bank, and then all these things. Storage master is there. Then add hospital. Okay, so from wherever you are getting the bags, multiple hospital requirement, where from blood requirement from the hospital, you can enter the hospital names completely. So you can immediately get this information. That's what hospital directory can be maintained. And manufacturing companies, the blood bag, manufacturing companies. So all the manufacturing companies are here. Okay, now let's see what is the donor. In the donor master, see, so first I'll just glance you from the menu. This is the donor menu. This is the quality control. Okay, quality control menu on the donor. Okay, then look at this quality control, pack rate sales, quality control of human blood, everything. This is the quality control. Then this is the patient. So donor gives the blood, it goes into the, after testing, goes into the blood bank, blood bank compartment. The stock positions increases, the patient comes up, the cross matching is done, and patient blood is issued to the patient. So this is a complete patient. Okay, patient related, patient requisition, all these things are. Then there is a camp also. If you are getting blood from the camp, there is a organizer completely. Camp organizer is there. Okay, so let's say if I edit it, you will come to know what are the things, like a blood bank, then the address and everything. That is a camp. Okay, and then camp entry. From here also you can directly put the blood into the this thing, camp registration. So what are the people are coming, who are the donor are coming into the camp, you can register from here. Okay, then there is a accounting. Okay, after the blood bag is issued, the accounting is created. So cross match receipt is generated, patient bill is given, advance bill, patient can give the advance money. So advance bill is there, bill refund is there. If the something has to be refunded, the bill refund, income report is there, how much is the collection. So there is a coupled with the inventory control is there. So what are the consumables are there into the blood bank? All these consumables like kits, reagents can be maintained using this inventory control, item inventory. This is not a blood bag inventory. This is exactly the inventory of the consumable kits, reagents which are used for the processing. So this is that. Okay, test kit, consumption, everything. And then finally you get plenty of reports, and these reports are as per the guidelines. Okay, they are you will find out the exact reports which are required by the authorities. So you'll find out various reports like camp register. Okay, then donor, on the donor there are so many reports are there. Donor, there's a master register is there. Okay, master register. So look at the donor register, master register. Okay, so like this, there are registers are there, discard component, all type of reports are available over here. Okay, then there is one very important report called as monthly CMIS report is generated from the software, which is called as collection of all the reports together, which can be submitted to the government authorities. That is monthly CMIS report is available over here. Then apheresis donor. Okay, completely apheresis. Then patient. Okay, completely report on the patient list report, group, blood grouping, cross match report, reaction report, all these things are here. Okay, completely. Issue register is there. Then you go to the cross match register, blood bag report, all these things. Then on the blood test, there is a test register, test wise donor report. Okay, on the references referred by a hospital, referred by doctor. On the stock, component separation register. So you can keep the whole blood. Also you can keep the component like fresh flow plasma, platelet counts. You can keep all these records into this software completely. Okay, then inventory control, item stock position report. So this is the inventory of the blood bags. Okay, this inventory of the reagent and kits, and this is the inventory of the blood bags, how many bags are available into the blood bank. Okay, so this inventory control is there. Master, login detail and accounting report for daily collection. So this is the reporting. Okay, let me show you where is the that report is there. Just a minute, I'll show you. The monthly CMIS report is also there. Donor. Okay, it is there. So such a such things are available, and you can get it. References stock. See, this is monthly CMIS report. Look at this. This is monthly CMIS report is there, which is very fantastic report, and it gives you the completely status of the monthly CMIS. Okay, so now I'll show you something which are there. Like donor questionnaire. Whenever a donor comes, there is a donor questionnaire is prepared. Okay, on the basis of questionnaire, whether the accept the blood or reject the blood, it is possible. Okay, donor information questionnaire. Okay, these questionnaires are like all the do you feel well today, have you eaten anything in the last 4 hours. All these questions are asked over here. Okay, then there's a report in Marathi is also there. Go to donor entry, go to camp donor entry, go to apheresis donor entry. These are the forms are there. Then questionnaire, another questionnaire. Okay, for medical officer only. So medical officer will certify whether the donation can be taken or not. Okay, so this is the donation. Donor registration, routine registration, camp registration, upload camp donor. So routine registration, if you look at it, everything is there. Donor profile. Okay, blood information. Okay, everything is selected. What is the type of donation, voluntary replacements, all these things. What is the blood bag, single blood bag, double blood, triple, quadruple blood bag. Okay, then what is the batch number. So these are the things are there. Once the donation is taken, then all this donor consent form is the apheresis donor entry, blood grouping is done. all these things, plus the symbols are entered, and accordingly the donor grouping is made. Okay. Then blood bag test. Okay, after that the blood bag test is done. Okay, so test names, if you see, all the tests are performed. Okay, and what are the tests, whether if it is a positive, then that blood is discarded. So software takes care of all the validation inside of inside the software. Like donor cannot give the donation of the blood, donating the blood before 90 days. All this thing automatically is selected. Okay, so it keeps a record of the donation done by the donor. So as soon as the same donor comes up, and once you enter the information, the software will understand whether in how many days, what was your last donation date, kind of thing. Okay, multiple serology entry. So instead of putting one this thing, if you want to put a multiple serology entry, that is also possible. Okay, so in one command you can able to put the multiple. So one of the bag is discarded, but all other bags are good. So you need not to enter each and every detail for the each and every bag. You can give the range, and automatically multiple serology can work for this. Okay, negative confirmation register is there, adverse reaction register is there. What are the adverse reaction is there, that register is there. Then blood component is there, you can create a blood component. See, FRCs, fresh frozen plasma, pack red cells, platelet count, whole blood. So like that you can generate the blood components out of the whole blood. Okay, then blood information, donor rejection. Okay, donor rejection is that donor name, address, rejection. What is the reason, what is the reason for the rejection, expiry, positive, all these things, jaundice, all these things. Okay, and these lists are completely programmable. You can add multiple items into the list. Every list which are there is coming into the software. You can add multiple items to the list. Post donation counseling, after the donation, what is the counseling is there. So this donation counseling is there. Are you feeling dizzy, are you feeling nauseated, light-headed, after resting, eating or drinking. So these are the questions are there. Okay, and these questions are changeable also. You can upload it, you can upload the your questionnaire automatically. Okay, so that is not a problem. Quality control is there. Okay, then patient comes up after the donation is made. The patient comes, and patient gives the blood requisition. Okay, so the patient name. Okay, and what is the look at this. Okay, from which hospital it is coming. Okay, so see all this list which we are maintaining. So we need not to remember all the detail of the person name, hospital name, everything. You just select it, and automatically it gets selected completely. Okay, so like that the list can this ready, and from here also you can directly keep adding the, if it is a new hospital or new entry, from there the donation is from there the patient is coming, you can add directly from here. Okay, then doctor. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, so this is this patient requisition is made by the patient, that they are looking for the blood. After they are looking for the blood, the cross match happens. So cross match is done over here. Okay, the cross matching is done, and finally after the cross match, issue the blood bag. So blood bag is issued to the patient. Okay, then after that automatically the patient bill is generated. Okay, from here. Okay, so patient bill, how much is the value, everything is generated from here. Okay, the billing person name is recorded, so that at end of the day we can get on which cashier or which person has collected, how much is the amount that can be that can be available. Okay, so cross matching is done, camp account. Okay, advance bill, everything, income report is there. Okay, so let me open some reports so that you will get able to get it some information. Let's see, I open the master register, which is very important register for the anyone to look into it. Okay, so let's say I go for the 2020 something. Okay, report, and you will get a fabulous report. Look at this report, master register, very nice report. I'll just increase the size. Okay, look at this. the serial number, date collection, donor name, blood group, sex, age, weight, HB, BP, pulse, temperature, medical, okay, screening test, okay, completely. Blood bag issue, which blood bag is issued, what component prepared, quantity, expiry date, issue, voucher, issue to, okay, issue date and time, stock, accepted, discarded, reason and technician name. Complete report master register is available to you. Okay, let's see other register, issue register. Go to the patient, okay, blood cross match report, okay, patient list group, apheresis donor register, apheresis issue register. Let's say what is the apheresis issue register. So we can just go for 20 report. Okay, so basically this information will be available: serial number, collection date, donor, donors group, issue number, date of issue, quantity, patient name, blood group, hospital name, indications of transfusion, CAM, and issued technician. Okay, let's say if it is coming some date, I will give, let's say 2015. If any data is available, it will come. Oh yes, the full data is available. Look at this: collection date, donor number, donor group, issue number, date of issue, quantity, patient name, patient blood group, hospital name, indication transfusion, created technician medical officer, issued technician medical officer. So this is the complete information for FSS issue register. Okay, so like that, very important things are available. Cross match register, you want to see cross match register, let's say 2015. Okay, just give me the report. Okay, this is the cross match register. Look at this. Okay, serial number, date, patient ID, patient name, hospital name, blood group, component required, indication, required date, unit number, issued, saline, okay, albumin, Coombs sensitive, all the information is available here. This is a cross match register completely. Okay, then let's look at the other registers. So this can be a very good software for you. It will automate all your it's a multi-user software. It can run on multiple computers, and the best part is the maintenance is almost zero, because this entire software is server based software. Means you just install it on the server, and all your computers, they become plug and play system. By putting if you install this software on the local server, then you can put a static IP address. So with the static IP address, you can access it from the outside using the internet connection. Okay, and the same software can also be ported on the cloud directly, so you can access it via internet connection, 100% dedicated internet connections. So that is the thing. So both things are possible, offline and online software. Okay, so let's say go to the inventory stock position report. Okay, let's say 2015. Okay, give me the report. Okay, something is coming. All anti-sera, blood bag, reagent kit. Okay, so this type of reports are there, and purchase, use, damage, all these things, stock position report can be generated. Then let's say stock position summary. Okay, select blood. Okay, what is the type of A negative? Okay, look at this. So A negative, apheresis platelet, FFP, platelet concentrate, PAX rate, say whole blood total. It will give on the particular grouping wise. Okay, referred by hospital, referred inventory control master. Okay, what are the login detail, accounts. So you can find out donor, all type of report which are based on the donor and based on the patient. You will able to get it, multiple reports from the software. Issue register, which I was talking. Okay, here is the issue register. Okay, give us 15 reports. So this is the issue register. Serial number, utilization number, issue date, donor number, donor blood group, quantity in ml, patient name, patient's blood group, hospital name, cross match, report, indication, transfusion, product name, total issue, sign of the medical officer. So this is the issue register completely. So I hope you have this thing, and then there is a user management. So user management means, because when you give this software to the blood bank, a blood bank can create multiple users, okay, through the user management. They can give the authority system. So which user will operate which type of menu. This is completely defined into the user management, okay. Add role, add user, role master, okay, completely. This is the add role is there, roles right master is there, okay, like that. So what user will able to do it, the completely defined module, for the complete roles and right module, assign module is available over here, okay. So that's a roles and right module. So friends, this is the this is the end of the demonstration, and from here, like searches possibility are there. Search donor by ID, search donor by mobile number, search patient by registration number, search patient by mobile number. So very important points of any blood bank is the patient and donor and the patient. So you can search immediately and you can get the information on this. Thank you very much for seeing this demo.